Okay.
Hey, I got this Repel umbrella. Got it for work down here in Mexico. Made in China. Supposed to be windproof. I don't really know what that means, but it's a travel umbrella. You open it for you. Man, I bet it works like the rest, but we're gonna find out. I mean, it looks kind of fancy. Cover. So far, working like the rest. A little up and down thing here. All right. It ain't locking. I don't know if maybe it don't have to lock. That's easy to close. Press a little button like cha. Yeah, it's an umbrella.